Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix the touchscreen not being responsive on Google Pixel 10 Pro. Let's begin! So, there are two main underlying issues here that could be possible. The A issue, your touchscreen is frozen. Even though I am moving it, you try to move it, nothing is happening, you're completely frozen. This happens. Or you installed maybe a new screen protector, or maybe one day your touchscreen decided to break and can't really do it as smoothly as before. Don't you worry, I will try to fix both of the issue, and we can start with touchscreen being frozen. Well, how can we fix that? Usually you want to perform a soft reset, and you can do that by pressing by center in power icon, and then wait, you can't do that, your screen is frozen. Exactly. So how can we possibly start our device then? Well, you want to press and hold the power button and up button right now. Technically you should see this, but if you have frozen screen you probably don't really have the ability to see that. You want to keep pressing that for a lot, doesn't really matter how long. It's kind of laggy, like I think before I've released buttons. Oh, okay, you don't want to release anything. This will just take very long time. I have no idea why they decided, so it takes like 15 seconds, maybe 20. But after a long time of pressing and holding the power button and volume up button, once again it's this, not this, our device is now fully restarting, and with that we have now our restarted phone. But of course, if that doesn't fix the issue, I would just advise you to go into some sort of Google Pixels shop or like typical phone workshop, and maybe they will help you, because it appears that you have some damage. But that's the end of the part A. Now the part your touchscreen is not responsive to your touches as before. Luckily for us, we can easily fix that issue by performing a diagnostic test. First, let's head into the settings. Then scroll down and enter touch. Now, we want to scroll down until we see touch tab, and here we have two buttons. Before we run the diagnostic test, we can technically go to touch sensitivity and just increase the sensitivity. So now our phone should be much more sensitive to little. But if this doesn't really fix the issue or whatever, oh by the way, the adaptive touch is a very good feature. You want to have it enabled, I forgot to mention it, but this will automatically change the touch sensitivity depending on your environment, the screen protector and all of that. But if you have still some issues with that, we can always go into touch diagnostics, and as you can see, we can now go into display is not very responsive touch. And we have now the test. We want to place our phone screen side up on the flat surface before starting the test. This is often about 30 seconds test, and we don't want to touch it, so I will now test the hardware. We are now turning up the screen, and now we don't want to touch our phone at all. I don't want to pause the recording because okay, as you can see, it didn't even took 30 seconds. We can see that it looks good, and no touch issue have been found, but just in case, the hardware has been recalibrated, and if you still have issues, as I said before, you can cut your phone. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, watching.